Today's episode is all about making new friends just like you. But first, let's start with our hello song. Friends make every day special. Let's learn how to be great friends together. Did you know that a friend is someone who is kind, shares, and makes us smile? Let's begin by singing a special song, all about being friends. Will you sing along with us? You will? That's great. Let's sing. A great job singing about friends. Will you be our friend? You will? That makes us feel so happy. It's always nice to make new friends and have lots of friends to play and laugh with. Now let's practice being friendly. Can you turn to someone next to you and wave? Waving to someone is an easy way to say hello to someone new and make them smile. Let's practice saying hello. Wave and say, "Hi friend, how are you today?" Ready? "Hi friend, how are you today?" We would like to introduce you to some of our special friends. This is Benjamin Bear. He loves giving hugs and playing with his friends. Can you say hello to Benjamin Bear? Hello, Benjamin Bear. And this is Percy the Parrot. He's super chatty and he has lots of great ideas about being kind. Can you say hello to Percy? Hello, Percy. Percy was just telling me that did you know saying please and thank you is one way to show kindness? Yes, and also Benjamin said that sharing toys is another great way to be a friend. Well done, Benjamin. Let's try imagine you have a toy car and your friend wants a turn. What could you do? Yes, you could say, "Would you like a turn?" or "Let's play together." Oh dear, really? Percy just said he dropped his crayons earlier. What could you do if that happened to your friend? That's right. You could help them pick them up. That's what friends do. Friends also say kind words. Percy, can you think of a kind word to say? That's great. Percy said you could say to your friends, "You're fun to play with." That's such a kind thing to say. Great job, friends. Benjamin is proud of you. Give yourself a big move our bodies. Let's go on a friendship walk. Let's start by marching on the spot while we wave hello to all our friends. Let's go! Now pretend to give your friend a high five. Great job, friends. Now, let's hop like a happy friend. Hop, 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 just like happy bunnies. Hop, hop, hop. Fantastic friendship walking, friends. You did a great job. They did, didn't they, Percy? Now let's sing another special song about being a good friend. Sing along with us, friends. If you're friendly and you know it, wave hello, hello. If you're friendly and you know it, wave hello, hello. If you're friendly and you know it and you really also show it. If you're friendly and you know it, wave hello, hello. If you're friendly and you know it, wave hello, hello. If you're friendly and you know it, wave hello, hello. If you're friendly and you know it, and your face will always show it. If you're friendly and you know it, wave hello, hello. Let's play another game, Miss P2. I love playing games and having fun with my friends. Percy says he wants to play too. Great idea, Percy. And Benjamin is ready with his biggest smile. Let's play Pass the Smile. I will send you a big smile through the screen and you pass it to a friend next to you, your neighbour or your favourite teddy bear. Are you ready? Get ready to catch the smile. Did you catch it? Did you pass it on? Benjamin caught it and he passed it on to Percy. Wow, look at those happy faces. Percy is smiling and Benjamin is bouncing for joy. Did you know that by smiling at someone, you can make them feel happy and they might smile back? When you smile, everyone smiles. Friends love to make gifts for each other. Let's make something special. Let's make a special friendship rock for someone special. But first, let's head to our art studio. Great idea, Miss P2. Say goodbye to Percy and to Benjamin, friends. We'll see them again soon. Bye. Let's go, friends. Bye, Percy. Bye, Benjamin. Now that we're in our art studio, friends, let's begin. For this activity, you will need an adult at home to help you. You will need to find a rock or a pebble in your garden. You also need some paint or chalk pens to colour and decorate. And you could even use stickers if you would like to. Let's begin. Place your rocks on a table and have all your materials ready. You can begin by placing a sticker onto your rock and then begin by decorating around it. Or you can simply draw a picture onto your rock of your favourite flower or animal or favourite cartoon character. I'm going to use a sticker to decorate mine and then use my chalk pens to colour and decorate around it. Great idea, Miss P2. I think I might make mine into a ladybird friend. Okay, let's get started. Put all my sticker on. If you're using chalk pens, you have to make sure to shake the pen properly before you start, so that when you take it off, it comes out nicely. There we go. Put my sticker on, make sure to press it down so it stays on. And what's the favourite colour of my friend? Her favourite colour is pink. I'm going to draw love hearts around this one. Oh, look, I'm drawing the head of the ladybird.
This is so fun.
I'm going to draw a line down her back.
What have you decided to draw at home? Thanks for sharing.
Have you found some nice stickers or decided to draw your own picture?
It's always fun to be creative together. What colour should I use next? Maybe blue.
Make sure to put the lids back onto your pens when you're done so that they don't dry out. Oh, that's looking beautiful, Miss P2.
Thank
Oh,
you so
cute.
much. What are you drawing, Miss P1?
Drawing a ladybird, friend.
Oh, what a great idea.
How are yours going at home, friends? That sounds exciting.
Certainly does.
Great job.
So creative.
Just colouring in my head of my ladybird. Giving it a bit of a white head after I colour around the eyes.
I've put my sticker on and I've done 1, 2, 3, 4 love hearts around it. Maybe I'll add some yellow stars to go with it.
Ooh, where's that colour, Miss P2? That
This
red
colour?
one, where's that?
I believe I used this colour for that.
Which makes it look red when you put it down. I
Yes,
like it.
but it's actually pink.
I like it. I'm starting. I'm
Okay.
clever. I wanted to do blue, but now
And there's mine. Now, what do we do with them, Miss P?
now you need to keep it safe and give it to your special friend for your friendship rock. You will give your friendship rock straight to someone special. Now let's go back to the playroom. That was so much fun, friends. I love spending time in the art studio.
Me too. Making something special for a friend shows them how much we care. And this is a great way to be a great friend.
You are all such wonderful friends. I love how kind and friendly you are. Give yourself a big hug.
Before we go, we have time for one more song. Are you ready?
You are. Let's sing.
The more we play together, together, the more we play together, the happier we'll be. With my friends and your friends, we all play together. The more we play together, the happier we'll be. The more we play together, the more we play together, the happier we'll be. With my friends and your friends, we all play together. The more we play together, the happier we'll be.
Great job, friends.
Thank you for joining us today. We had such fun learning, singing and playing along with you. Next time, we'll learn all about patterns. I can't wait to see you all there.
Remember, friends, smile
Big, be kind every day. Bye, friends.
Wow, friends, what a great time we've had today. Today's show was aligned with the early years learning outcomes, which you can find in the description below.
If you love learning with us, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.
And click the bell icons so that you never miss a new episode.
We can't wait to learn and play with you again soon. Remember, smile big, be kind every day. Bye, friends.